Hello everyone, welcome to Powerpayless.com. If you lost your power adapter or are looking for one, you've come to the right place. So in order for us to help you best we can to find the proper power supply, we need two pictures from you. The first one would be of the label on your device. From this label, all we want to see is the brand name and the model number. On other devices, if it doesn't have a device label, simply take a picture of the brand or another smaller label like so. Also, if you have the original power supply, take a picture of that label as well. There we go. The second picture you need is a picture of the port or the socket. Here it looks like this on this router. On this device, it looks like this. So with these two pictures, you simply send them to sales@powerpayless.com, and within a few hours, we will send you the link to directly find that specific power supply and to check out as soon as you can. Thank you.